Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down and find General Management. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose, which we can customize. However, right now they are hidden. So it's because we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off all of those switchers here. And now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Find the day and tap on done. And the same situation with the time. Here, change the time just by swiping and tap on done. It will be immediately applied and visible on the status bar. Here, the time zone, just tap on it, choose the region, and here we've got the full list of available time zones, so find yours and then tap on it. Choose the region again, and it will be again immediately applied. Alright, and the time format, we can use the 12-hour format or 24-hour one. If you wish to set the 12-hour one, just turn off this option and it will be immediately set. And unfortunately we cannot change the date format, only the time. Alright, so this is the manual customization of date and time. If you wish to come back to previous options, just tap on those switchers right here to set automatic date, time and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.